Now, why is all of this important? It's important because remember this phrase I mentioned several times: high risk, high return. So if you're an investor and if you're buying something that you know is risky, like, right, you have some losses in money in some years but huge gains in other years, then you're only buying something risky because you know you'll be rewarded with a high return. So there is a reward for bearing risk. However, there should be no reward for bearing risk unnecessarily. And what this refers to is the so-called non-diversifiable risk. Sorry, I made a mistake. It refers to the diversifiable risk, or so-called unsystematic risk, that you can eliminate by adding more and more stocks to your portfolio. So you should only be rewarded for the risk that that particular company stock has that is beyond your control. The systematic portion of risk, or the non-diversifiable portion of risk, or the market risk. Remember, there were three names. So let's summarize. Since unsystematic risk, or non-diversifiable risk, can be eliminated through diversification, only the systematic portion of risk should be rewarded with a higher expected return. And this is known as the systematic risk principle. So it basically, in different words, the way I would summarize what's on this slide is, when we say high risk, high return, we really mean high systematic risk, high return, rather than high total risk, high return.